Morning light falls on the window pane, yet my heart still sings through joy and pain. Though the years have gently touched my face, my soul still dances with youthful grace.